I've gotta get this off my chest. My heart is bursting with your love, love.
The first time I saw you, everything stopped. It was like a slow motion, and you were the only person who existed at that moment. Love at first sight nga, di ba?
Yeah, you are everything I wanted, everything I needed. In your eyes, I can always see the way.
Para bang parang tumigil yung mundo, tapos humangin, tapos tanghali pa yun. So parang ang ganda nung araw, nasisinagan siya ng araw na gano'n, para siya nag-brighten up. Yun, ganun. Basta na love at first sight ako. Malalaman nyo kapag love at first sight talaga siya pag na-feel mo.
Our love will always stay.
We had a lot of ups and downs, but we conquered every challenges naman. We had achieved our goals as an individual and as a couple, and I'm proud of that. Di ako nagkamali ng pinakasalan.
He uses the things of this world and builds up His grace upon our nature so as for us to understand His salvific intention for all of us.
You came quietly without warning, and suddenly, everything I thought I understood about love began to fall apart. Before you, my days were very, very predictable, safe, but empty in ways I didn't yet know how to name. I was surviving, not dreaming. I had taught myself not to hope too much, because hoping hurts when it leaves.
You're everything I wanted, everything I needed.
And then there was you again.
You're everything I wanted, everything I needed. Our love will always stay. Our love will always stay. No, stay.
You became the reason I believe that broken things can still be beautiful.
Our love will always
That the two imperfect souls can find rest into one another. That even on the hardest days, love doesn't have to be loud to be real. It just has to stay.
even when we're old and gray. Our love will always even when we're old and gray. Following the morning star, it was all a motion picture. Sure as the river finds the sea, we knew we were going somewhere.
Congratulations, Kuya. Sana magmahalan kayong maigi at umiwas sa mga tentasyon.
Be happy lang, walang formula. Live your life, celebrate your triumph, share your pain, at yung story nyo, kayo pa rin dun sa dulo.
O tama na, naiyak na ako.
Basta naghihintay lang ako ng baby para alagaan ako.
Better than we hoped for, better than we dreamed it could be.
Uy! Ang pangit ng
Now
sulat!
until forevermore, I know
The truth is, I am awestruck by the beauty, syempre, ako to. The strength and the love that you bring into my life. Every single day, I've spent so much time thinking about how lucky I am to have found you.
I promise to always be your best friend, the best wife, the best basher kapag nakikita ko lagi ang mga mali mo. Char lang naman. You know, sobrang lucky ko na ikaw ang husband ko. Ang haba-haba ng pasensya mo. Sobrang family-oriented and God-fearing.
Better than we hoped for, better than we dreamed it could be. From now until forevermore, I know it will always be you and me. Yeah, you and me. Oh, you and you and me. You and me.
I've been loving you for almost 12 years now. And now, we are standing in front of everyone we love, showing them that from this day onward, we will be loving each other for the rest of our lives. And I want you to know, you are my home now. I love you, honey.
You turned my routine life into a story worth living. And even when the world feels heavy, I choose you today and always. To my best friend, my lover, my home, I love you.